In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact-based lists in HubSpot. Whether you're using HubSpot for managing your marketing campaigns, sales processes, or customer relationships, creating contact-based lists is a crucial skill that helps you organize your contacts efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you don't already have it saved, the URL is www.hubspot.com. Once you've reached the homepage, look towards the upper right part of the screen and click on the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials if you aren't logged in already. Enter your username and password and hit Login to access your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home screen. This is essentially your command center for everything you'll be doing today. From here, navigate to the CRM icon, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. HubSpot CRM is where you can manage all your interactions with current and potential customers. Click on the CRM tab. After opening the CRM section, your next step is to click on Lists. This will take you to the section where you can view all your existing lists and create new ones. In HubSpot, lists help you segment your contacts based on various criteria that align with your business needs. This feature makes your marketing efforts much more targeted and effective. Now that you're in the Lists section, look for the Create List button. You should see this option readily available, encouraging you to start organizing your contact data. Clicking on this will initiate the process of creating a new list. The next screen will ask you to choose the type of list you want to create. Here, you'll be given the option between a contact-based list and other list types. Select contact-based. Contact-based lists are particularly useful for keeping track of individual contacts using specific criteria, such as life cycle stage, contact properties, or behavior. Take a moment to think about the criteria you'd like to use for this list. HubSpot allows you to define these parameters meticulously, enabling you to target contacts who meet certain attributes or who have taken particular actions. Once you've decided on the criteria that are most relevant to your goals, you can apply these to your new list. Remember, contact-based lists update dynamically, always ensuring they reflect the most current set of contacts matching your criteria. This makes them a powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their marketing efforts, sales follow-ups, or customer engagement strategies. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating contact-based lists in HubSpot. It's a simple process, but one that can greatly enhance how you organize and engage with your contacts. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.